That's just a marathon, 42. Imagine kung mag-ultra ka.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
O say, 42 ka na, mabilis ka.
Hmm.
Is it safe to say na madaling-madali ba yung 50 kung plus 8 kilometers na lang?
Oh.
Is it
Maybe.
really that way? Di ba?
Oo nga.
Baka hindi.
Baka hindi. Yes.
Baka hindi mo alam yung threshold mo.
Ah.
Di ba? Pero karamihan naman ng nagte-train, kasi kami rin yung first batch na nag-try ng first 50 kilometers na ultra. So what we did, even yung first 100.
Wow.
So what we did is every weekend kami nagmamarathon.
Every weekend.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And
Okay.
yung pinakamahirap na part is yung magkasunod. Saturday, Sunday marathon.
Holy cow.
Yeah, we did that.
4.5 hours, by the way, for those of you wondering.
That's why I'm saying na hindi madali yung ultra. Madali siya sabihin, madali siya tignan, di ba? Pero kung gagawin mo na siya, hindi siya madali. You have to prepare for it. You have to really, decide sa sarili mo na gagawin ko yung training to prepare me for the worst.